Welcome to Accredify, powered by OptimaNova AI, the future of accreditation management. In today's rapidly evolving landscape, effectively managing compliance isn't just important, it's mission critical. What if you could proactively eliminate risks, streamline compliance, and elevate your organization's readiness effortlessly? With Accredify, you can. We understand the complexity you face, navigating stringent accreditation standards, continuously tracking staff certifications, and preparing for exhaustive audits. Traditional methods often create significant operational strain, compliance gaps, and unnecessary risk, impacting both performance and reputation. That's why we've created Accredify, our revolutionary AI-powered accreditation management platform, uniquely designed to empower operational leaders across 5 crucial sectors: education, healthcare, professional services, government, and manufacturing. At the heart of Accredify is a dynamic, user-friendly dashboard offering real-time compliance tracking, predictive analytics, and interactive visualizations. Instantly monitor certification statuses, visualize trends, identify potential compliance gaps, and generate customizable reports tailored to your organization's specific needs. Complementing this dashboard is our cutting-edge AI assistant, a proactive thought partner dedicated to minimizing risk and maximizing compliance effectiveness. Leveraging comprehensive industry data and accreditation standards, the AI assistant proactively identifies compliance risks, offers immediate strategic recommendations, and serves as a real-time advisor, helping you make informed, impactful decisions. Imagine receiving a proactive notification several months before your next critical accreditation review. Accredify's intuitive dashboard clearly highlights compliance vulnerabilities, while the AI assistant delivers detailed, actionable solutions. Experience instant gap analysis and comprehensive readiness reports, dramatically reducing risk and boosting preparedness. Research shows that organizations utilizing AI-driven accreditation management can reduce compliance management effort by up to 40%, freeing valuable resources to focus on strategic initiatives and operational excellence. With Accredify, you'll proactively safeguard compliance, significantly lower operational stress, and elevate organizational performance. Don't leave your compliance readiness to chance. Step into a future where accreditation management becomes your competitive advantage. Experience Accredify, where strategic compliance meets operational success. To transform your institution's accreditation process, visit accredify.ai. Accredify, powered by OptimaNova AI,